ready, man.
Play number 6 coming up on this drive. Back to the ground. He's going to be swallowed up behind the line. Loss of 2.
Every yard you gain.
The offense heads to the line for the 7th play of the drive. Gets it again here. The tackle was made short of the first, and that'll bring up 4th down. A timeout charge to the offense.
Kick the damn field goal. I miss you.
The Seahawks getting set to attempt the field goal. No, it's not. It's a fake.
I know what
Looking to the right side and throwing. Squeezes it into coverage. He steps out.
Another first down by the offense, and the happiest guys on the field or off the field right now is the defense. They are getting rested up on the sidelines.
About to snap it for the 9th play of the drive.
For your ass. You like the rough front. Nobody right now.